Hi, this is Trifonas Papadopoulos. This is gonna be a quick tutorial on how to use drop-down lists. Have you ever felt like Excel's drop-down lists are a little basic? They work, but they are small, not very flexible, and honestly not that user-friendly. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade Excel's default drop-down list using a simple VBA trick. Here's what happens when you click on a cell with data validation. Instead of a normal drop-down, a smarter combo box appears. It loads the same list. It fits perfectly over the cell, and when you select an item, it fills the cell automatically. Even better, you can still use Enter and Tab to move, as you see, through cells like normal. So we are not changing your data, you are not changing your layout, you are just improving the experience. If you build dashboards, forms, or shared workbooks, this small tweak makes Excel feel much more professional. Okay, let's get started. So here we have a standards table, special characteristics table, and here we want to fill these two columns. So what we're gonna do is that we go here, and if we go here and we just type en and let's say 4, we select it and we press tab, and that's it. If we go to special characteristics and we add another one, let's say special characteristics 41, and we go again here and we go and we type special here. You can either do this and that's it. The code, the VBA code you need to use for this is this one. It's shown here as well, and I have prepared a post which is this one, where you can load the actual file to use from this link. Hope you find this tutorial useful.